Hey guys, this is how you install a lower control arm on a 2013 Infiniti M37, right? It's similar thing on most of the Infinitis, but not all of them, right? I'm going to show you the lower control arm now. I'm going to show you the problems that you're going to run into and how to solve it, all right? This is the new lower control arm right here, right? The problem you're gonna run into, the lower control arm, I finish up on the driver's side, so I'm gonna show you how to do the passenger side. Everything is finished. See, new ball joints, everything new lower control arm, right? So I'm gonna show you what to do. First, you wanna remove the tie rod. I took the pin out already, right? And I also started to remove it. So remove that. Take that out of the way. Now, because you remove the tie rod, it's easy to move, right? So now you need to remove the sway bar links, right? I would say take this one off first. You're gonna use an 18 right here and use an 18 spanner right there, and take this one off first, not this one. Remove this one first. Now you're gonna remove this one. It's a 21 socket. Put that on an impact and hold the other side with a spanner, with an 18 spanner. Right now I just use this stand to jack it up a little to take some pressure off so I can remove all of this. And it just comes out just like that. underneath I already backed out the ball joint bolt, right? So I did do that already. So all I need to do now is basically remove. So like all of that is freed up now. So the only thing you have to do next, all right, the lower control arm, you have one bolt right here and one over this side. So underneath is a 17 millimeter right here, and there's one more right there. You use an impact and put a spanner or something else on top to hold that. You take that off, and then on this side you have to remove this one. This is a 19 millimeter. You just do the same, and then everything will come off. Looking at the both control arms, right at the ball joint, as you can see, look right here and look right there. There's a little sleeve, right, that need to come off to go onto the new one, because that doesn't come with the part from Infiniti. You have to remove this and put on this, or you have to buy the new part, but this is reusable, so you have to get it off. So all you do that is, you are gonna need this tool. This is a OEM tie rod pulley tool, right? The part number is right there. So inside, this is the pulley tool. So all you have to do is back everything back out this way, slide this over, right? And then you turn, and this will just pop off. So I'm gonna show you how you do that. So like I said, all you have to do, spin this all the way back, right? Then you slide this over. So you're gonna slide it over just like this, right? Then you're gonna turn this all the way till it reaches the top. Then you're gonna get a 19 millimeter, right? You can do it on an impact or just a socket, and you just go forward with it, and there it goes. Easy as that. Then all you have to do is just put this on the new one, and you don't even have to worry about trying to press this on or nothing like that. When you just slide this over and you tighten the ball joint, everything will compress down. So that's all you need.
Villager.
So guys, that's a wrap. That's how you get that done, to change that lower control arm. Hope that was helpful for you guys, and just remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and click that like button. It helps a lot, and please share. Until next time.